Hey everyone, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a whimsical type Christmas card using these products. This is the acrylic paint from Derwent and also some of their heavyweight acrylic paper, and also going to be using some Xyron to adhere it all together. So to get started, what I'm going to do is use a piece of the heavyweight acrylic paper right here. I'm going to be using these 3 dies that are from Spellbinders. If I can find these, I'm not sure if they're still available, but I will link everything up below in the description box of the video so you can find them yourself if you would like. But I'm not sure if I'll be able to find these, but I will try. So just to get an idea of the size of each one of these, I'm going to do this and I'm going to kind of do a circle around them so I know where I'm going to need to paint. And then using the Derwent, this is their paint palette. I'm going to use, they have 4 different greens in this. Let's see, I think, how many colors are in here total? There are 24 different acrylic paints in this kit altogether. And this color is the emerald green that I'm going to be using. And this is light green. And then from Derwent, I'm also going to be using their artist brush set. It has 8 brushes in it, and this is the 1/4 inch brush that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to start painting, and I don't care if it covers completely because I want some of the white showing through. Next, this is the Viridian, I guess, color. And sap green. So I'm just going to continue doing this for the last 2 trees. The bigger ones, I think I'm going to do a little bit darker. Okay, now that each one is painted and dry, I am going to die cut them out. And I just use some washi tape to keep them into place. And I'm going to use my Gemini Junior to cut them out with. Just because I love how it just goes through and cuts really easily. First, I'm going to cut my paper down to size. And I'm going to run them through one more time, but this time is just to emboss them, so I'm using the rubber embossing mat. Okay, all my trees are cut out, and now using a jelly roll pen, and I think this is just plain white, or it doesn't have a name on it, and I am just going to outline each one of the trees. So there you go, you can see my trees, how they look. And then I went ahead and die cut out with that extra piece that was on the other half of the trees. I cut out 3 Believe out of using Poppystamps die right here. So I cut those out 3 times, and then what I'm going to do is take my Xyron 1.5 Create a Sticker, and I am going to, the first one I'm going to do, I want to do it on the wrong side, so I'm going to put it in backwards, like that. So as you can see, it's going to be reading upside down. So what it'll do, this is going to put the adhesive on the front of the Believe. So as you can see, it is backwards. So now when I peel it off, the adhesive is going to be all on the front. And when you do that, because this is such an intricate die with the lines and stuff, you are going to get some of the adhesive in the middle, and I just take a skewer or anything that you have that is pointy. Sometimes I'll use my fingernails, and I just kind of pull that extra out. And now I am just going to place this in my little tray, and I have some red glitter here that I am just going to pour right over the top. And then just using a pair of tweezers, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to take a paper towel and just push it down into the glitter. Trying to make it so I get as least glitter everywhere as possible. And there we go. You can see how well the Xyron works to stick glitter onto small little embellishments or intricate embellishments like this. And now I am going to run that back through the Xyron sticker maker again, or create a sticker, but this time the right side up. And I am also going to run the other two through here as well. Make sure it's pressed on there well. And I'm going to peel each one off, but leave the first one on there. And then I am just going to start, just layer it up. And then do the same thing with the one with the glitter on it. And now, because my trees are a little bit wider, I'm actually going to use my Creative Station Lite here, and I have the 3-inch cartridge in here, the permanent 3-inch cartridge. And I am just going to run these through. I got those two trees a little too close together, but that's okay. It still works fine. So now with my card front, get the glitter all off of it. And I am going to start placing the trees where I would like them. Using my Xyron Mega Runner, I am going to adhere this to the front of my card base. Now, taking the sentiment I created, I'm just going to center that onto the front. And then I'm just going to add some sequences real quick, and then my card will be completed. And there it is, a cute whimsical card. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the like button if you haven't already. Thank you so much. See you next time.